know another big secret why people like these WTB Nanos. They're really good tires. The profile is not that very like aggressive, but they fare really well in this winter weather. And I had to say one more thing. Right now it is not icy underneath, so there's pure gravel and slushy so it makes it easier. Otherwise, I would suggest that another of these tires, one of them would be a winter tire, probably the front tire, so you have the maximum grip when handling the bike. It is now the brightest as it gets, and it's been like this past 2 months, so you know, I'm serious, need some vitamin D. Carbon fork really makes a big difference. It is super light, it's super steady, you know. I'm not sure how the carbon fares in these conditions, but at least they advertise it as a winter training bike. They say this bike is an entry-level bike, but it will set you back in euros like 1.6k, so I would consider it mid-range. There's this dual tip technology. There's a part which you can flip, even though it's a 1 centimeter shift on the fork, it will drastically change your riding position.